G. Lagatek, an on-the-job training intern from the College of Computer Studies at Camarines Polytechnic Colleges. It has been a remarkable journey, interning at the office of the Sangguniang Bayan ng Buhi, where I had the opportunity to immerse myself in the dynamic world of local governance. The office of the Sangguniang Bayan ng Buhi is an essential component of the local government unit sector. This office is so vital in crafting, enacting, and implementing ordinances, memorandums, and resolutions that steer the legislative agenda and governance of the municipality of Buhi. Their work ensures that local policies align with the community needs and legal framework. During my internship, I began by participating in comprehensive orientation session in the first week to understand the legislative framework and operational protocols of the office. I then progressed to meticulously organizing and documenting the gathered data for the system requirements, wherein we had team meetings for gaining insights into legislative drafting and protocols from daily 6 to 10. So by the end of the second week, I became one of the project managers for the digitation project aimed at modernizing ordinance records, where I developed a detailed project timeline and task allocation strategy. In the third week, I led the project's implementation phase, coordinating with team members to ensure data integrity and accuracy. From days 11 to 15, I was actively involved in preparing the need memorandums for the system, ensuring true attention to detail and adherence to legal standards. Finally, in the fourth week, we successfully concluded the digitation project, presented the comprehensive results to the Legislative Office, and received commendations for the efficiency and accuracy of the project. Project manager of Henpai Technologies at the office of the Sangguniang Bayan ng Buhi, I gained invaluable insights and skill. I mastered the art of project planning, execution, and closure, which involve division realistic timelines, judiciously allocating resources, and fostering effective team collaboration. This experience deepened my understanding of the legislative mechanisms within local government unit, particularly the formulation, review, and enactment of ordinances, memorandums, and resolutions. I significantly improved my communication skills, which were essential for leading project meetings, coordinating with team members, and ensuring alignment with project objectives. Additionally, my leadership capabilities were enhanced through hands-on experience. I developed a keen eye for detail, which is crucial in legislative documentation and data management, ensuring our work complied with legal standards and maintain procedural accuracy. My OJT experience at the office of the Sangguniang Bayan ng Buhi has been profoundly enlightening and rewarding. Managing a project from inception to completion allowed me to apply my academic knowledge practically and develop vital project management and leadership skills. This experience has significantly deepened my understanding of local governance and legislative processes. I am particularly grateful for the very supportive staff of the Sangguniang Bayan ng Buhi for treating me as one of their own. Their guidance and encouragement have been instrumental in making my internship a success. I am confident that the skills and insights I have acquired will be invaluable in my future career endeavor.
She was just a girl.
We're like diamonds in the sky.
Don't you worry, child.
Yeah, yeah, except for me.
Cause it's always a good time.
Oh, 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 oh.